everyone, it's Michelle. Today let's talk about goals and goal setting and how you actually attain a goal. So first, you have to decide what is it that you want to accomplish. For this purpose, in this example, I'm going to use money. I'm going to use financial freedom because that is a personal goal that I had set for myself back in 2013. So the goal was not live how I had grown up and not live stressed out and fearful of money. I really wanted just enough money to cover my bills, have extra, invest for retirement. If my children needed something, I wanted to be able to provide that. Also be able to go on vacation and, the little extras. And when emergencies would come up, I did not want to have to stress out about those. Okay? So when you set a goal, first off, you have to kind of either in your mind or write a list or do some sort of mapping exercise where you're saying, what don't I know? And for me, obviously, I did not know how to be successful with money. I knew how to work and bring the money in and keep that going, but I really didn't know how to create wealth and take it to the next level, because I had always been a person that believed in credit, and not necessarily credit cards, but loans and monthly bills that would have to be paid off, and then it would just be a continuous cycle of, well, now I need this, so let's get credit on this and pay it off, and it would be never ending. So I made a decision, I don't want to live like that anymore. And so I knew that, and once I recognized what I did not know and where I wanted to go and why I wanted to go there, then I had to think about how am I going to get there. So for me, I started reading books on getting out of debt. I actually paid to be part of a program so that I would have instructors and I'd have a support network to help me get out of that debt. When I was done with that, I was really on the right path. And at that time, I would listen to podcasts and read more books on just to keep my frame of mind really focused. And I would constantly be looking at my budget to see where I can cut things, and I'd be looking at how much I'm paying down my debt, so I'd keep my excitement level up. After that, I decided to actually teach a course on how to get financially free. And so that just kept me going even more, because then I was teaching people about the principles of how to build wealth. And so those are basically the first few steps on creating goals. And then the next one would be, after you've kept kind of your energy level and your motivation up, is you would start to look back and assess, is this working? Am I getting where I need to be? Oops, sorry. And I realized that I did. And so after you do that, you can really keep taking it to the next level. But you have to keep the momentum going. And by you do that either through coaching, through seminars, through books, through classes. And then the best thing is to carry your message on to other people. It really helps keep the energy going. And always be checking for a win. With money, it's pretty simple. Checking your stats, making sure you constantly are hitting those new goals. You're raising the bar, you keep it moving, and you surround yourself with people that have very similar goals as you do. That really keeps your circle tight and keeps you on track. I hope this helps somebody. If you have any questions, please write them below, and I will certainly get back with you. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.